A very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am here with chapter 13, exercise 13.2. In exercise 13.2, we have studied about cylinder, covered or lateral surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder. Covered surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. R is radius and H is height. Total surface area equals to, a cylinder have two circular parts, one at its top and other at its bottom. So we can say that total surface area of cylinder equals to its covered surface area 2 pi r h plus area of two circular parts, area of circle pi r square. There are two circular parts, so area of two circular parts will be 2 pi r square. Here 2 pi r is common, 2 pi r h plus r. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. Now we are going towards question. Exercise 13.2. Question first is that the covered surface area of a right circular cylinder. Question number first. Covered surface area of a right circular cylinder equals to 88 centimeter square. Its height equals to 14 centimeter. Find its diameter. First find its radius. With the help of radius, we can find the diameter. Covered surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h equals to 88. Here 2 pi is 22 by 7. We have to find the value of r into h. H is 14 equals to 88. 14 is cancelled by 7. 2. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88. 88 into r equals to 88. Then r will be 88 upon 88 equals to 1. So r equals to 1. Radius equals to 1 centimeter. If radius equals to 1 centimeter, then diameter will be diameter is double of radius. Then diameter will be 2 into 1 equals to 2 centimeter. So we can say that the diameter of the cylindrical part equals to 2 centimeter. Question number 2 is that it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. The tank is closed, of height 1 meter and diameter 140 centimeter. May I erase this question number first and going towards question number second. A cylindrical tank, height 1 meter. Question number 2. Height equals to 1 meter. Diameter of its base equals to 140 centimeter. How many square meter of sheet required for the same? This tank is closed. So here we have to find out its total surface area. Diameter is given 140 centimeter. Height is given 1 meter. First find its radius. Radius will be half of diameter, d upon 2 equals to 140 upon 2 equals to 70 centimeter. Radius in centimeter but height is in meter. Convert this centimeter into meter. 70 upon 100 equals to 0.7 meter. Now radius equals to 0.7 meter and height equals to 1 meter. We have to find out the area of sheet required to make this closed cylindrical tank. So area of sheet required equals to area of sheet required to make this closed cylindrical tank equals to total surface area of cylinder. 2 pi r plus h. This will be equals to 2 into pi 22 by 7. Here r is 0.7. You can write as 7 by 10. R is 7 by 10 plus h. H is 1. 7 is cancelled by 7. 2 into 22. This term can be solved by taking LCM. 1 multiply 10. 10. 10 plus 7. 17. 17 upon 10. 22 into 2. 44. 44 into 17. This will be equals to 748 upon 100 equals to 7.48 meter square. So area of sheet required to make this closed cylindrical tank will be 7.48 meter square. Question number 2 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 3. Question number 3 is that a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter and its outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner covered surface area, outer covered surface area and total surface area. A cylindrical pipe. Length of cylindrical pipe. Length of cylindrical pipe equals to 77 centimeter. You can also take a length as height in case of cylinder. Length equals to 77 centimeter. Inner radius. Inner radius equals to, if diameter is given 4 centimeter, then radius will be 4 upon 2 equals to 2 centimeter. First part is that find its inner covered surface area. Inner covered surface area. Inner covered surface area equals to 2 pi r h. 2 into pi. Here r is 2. H is 77. 77 is cancelled by 7. 11. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 11, 44. 44 into 22. This will be equals to 968 centimeter square. So, inner covered surface area equals to 968 centimeter square. Outer covered surface area. This cylinder has inner and outer dimensions. It's R. Inner R is denoted by small r and outer radius is denoted by capital R. Outer radius equals to diameter upon 2. Here diameter is given 4.4 upon 2. This will be equals to 2.2 centimeter. So outer radius equals to 2.2 centimeter. Outer covered surface area. Second part is that find its outer covered surface area. This will be equals to 2 pi r h. Here r is 2.2. 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 2.2. H is 77. 77 is cancelled by 7. 11. After calculating these terms, 1064.8 centimeter square comes out. So, outer covered surface area equals to 1064.8 centimeter square. Now, third part is that find its total surface area. Total surface area equals to its inner covered surface area plus outer covered surface area plus area of two circular parts. First part at its topum and other parts at its bottom. So here we have to find out the total surface area. May I first erase this and find total surface area. Total surface area of this cylindrical part will be inner covered surface area 968, outer covered surface area 1064.8 centimeter square. Now we are going towards total surface area. There are two parts, inner part and outer part. Radius and this equals to r. So area of this circular part will be pi r square minus r square. Area of circle equals to pi r square. But there are two circles. We have to find out the area of this part. Area of this part equals to pi r square minus r square. Capital R minus small r square. There are two circles at its top and its bottom. So multiply by 2. 2 pi r square minus r square. These are the area of two circular parts. For total surface area, also add the covered surface area of the cylinder. We have already calculated the inner covered surface area and outer covered surface area. So inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of two circular rings. 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7. Here r. R is 2.2 square minus small r. Small r is 2 square. After calculating these terms, 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into square of 2.2 is 4.84 and square of 2 is 4. 4.84 minus 4. Then 0.84 comes. 0.84 you can write as 84 upon 100. After calculating these terms, 5.28 comes. I have already calculated these terms. So after calculating these terms, 5.28 comes. If we add 5.28 to 2032.8, then 2038.8 comes. So we can say that the total surface area of this cylinder will be equals to 2038.8 centimeter square. First find inner covered surface area, outer covered surface area, then add into two circular rings, area of two circular rings. Two circular rings having inner radius and outer radius. So 2 pi r square minus r square. Question number 3 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 4. First may I erase this question number 3. Question number 4 is that the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. A roller. May I also this figure also and draw the figure of question number 4. A roller which is in the shape of a cylinder. A roller which is in the shape of cylinder having diameter equals to 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. Its length is this length equals to 120 centimeter. This roller is used to level a playground and it completes 500 revolutions. Find the area of the playground. If diameter equals to 84 centimeter, then radius will be 84 upon 2 equals to 42 centimeter. First find the area of this roller when it takes one round. Area of this roller. Area of this cylindrical roller for one round. For one round equals to 2 pi r h. R is 42 and h is 120. 2 pi r is 42 and h is 120. Now 42 is cancelled by 7. 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 120 and into 22. After calculating these terms, 31,680 comes out centimeter square. So area of this roller when it completes one round, area equals to 31,680 centimeter square. But our condition is that find the area of this playground in meter square. So convert this term into meter square. Here centimeter square. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter square equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So 31,680 upon 10,000. 0 is cancelled by 0. Now put decimal here. 3.168 meter square. So area if this roller when it completes one revolution equals to 3.168 meter square. Now we have to find out the complete area of playground and this roller completes 500 revolutions. So area of playground equals to 500 into 3.168. 500 because the roller takes 500 revolutions. So area covered in 500 revolutions equals to area of playground. This will be equals to 500 into 3.168. This will be equals to 1584 meter square. So area of the playground equals to 1584 meter square. Question number 4 is complete. Now we are going towards question number 5. Question number 5 is that a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter, 3.5 meter high. Find the cost of painting the covered surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. A cylindrical pillar 3.5 meter in height and 50 centimeter in diameter. 50 centimeter. Height is in meter but diameter is in centimeter and rate is also given rupees 12.50 per meter square. Rupees 12.50 per meter square. Find its covered surface area. Covered surface area of this pillar will be h is equals to 3.5 meter, r equals to diameter upon 2. Here diameter equals to 50. 50 upon 2 equals to 25 centimeter. Diameter equals to 50, then radius will be 25. Find its covered surface area. But firstly, convert the units, because height is in meter but radius is in centimeter. Convert this centimeter into meter. 25 upon 100 meter. So R equals to 25 upon 100 meter. Covered surface area of this pillar equals to 2 pi R H equals to 2 into 22 by 7. R is 25 upon 100 and H is 3.5. You can write as 35 upon 10. Decimal is removed by 10. 7, 5, 35, 25, 4, 100. 4 is cancelled by 2 and this 22 is cancelled by 2. 11 multiply 5, 55, 55 upon 10. 5.5 meter square. So we can say that the covered surface area of this pillar is 5.5 meter square. Also find the total cost. Total cost equals to area into rate. Rate is 12.50 per meter square. So we can say that total cost equals to area into rate. Total cost equals to area into rate. Area is 5.5 and cost equals to 12.50 per meter square. After calculating these terms, 68.75 comes. So we can say that the total cost to paint its covered surface will be rupees 68.75. Question number 5 is complete. Now we are going to add question number 6. Question number 6 is same as question number first. In question number 6, covered surface area is given and radius is given. You have to find out the height of the cylinder. Covered surface area of cylinder equals to 4.4 meter square. Covered surface area equals to 4.4 meter square. Here radius is given. This radius. Radius equals to 0.7 meter. Find its height. 0.7 meter. Find the height of this cylinder. This height. Here radius equals to 0.7 meter. Covered surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH equals to 4.4. 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is 0.7. You can write as 7 by 10 into H. 44 upon 10. 4.4. 44 upon 10. 7 is cancelled by 7. This 10 is cancelled by this 10. 2 into 22. 44 into H equals to 44. 44 is cancelled by 44. So H equals to 1 meter. So we can say that the height of this cylindrical part equals to 1 meter. Thank you.